Welcome to the first video in the how-to series of my channel. In this video, I will show you how to efficiently track your dividends. I will also show you a trick to give you quick insight into details such as dividend amount and yield, but also upcoming ex-dividend dates and how often the stocks pay out dividend. You can even do this for stocks that you like to watch to decide when it's a good time to buy them. For my portfolio tracking, I use Getquin. I'm not affiliated with them, but I really like their software. Getquin is a platform that allows me to track my portfolio in real time, and you can combine several brokers into one aggregated portfolio. You can give it a try because the features are for free. One of their features that I want to discuss in this video is their dividend tracker. This is a premium feature, but well worth it in my opinion. It provides a calendar overview with all paid and upcoming dividends, including yearly statistics. There is also a social platform built in where you can discuss with other investors, such as myself. On Getquin, you can also directly contact me and follow my activities. I have a link to my full transparent portfolio in the description of this video, so make sure to check it out. If you like the videos that I'm creating, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. This can really help me grow my new YouTube channel. Please remember that I'm not a financial advisor or a licensed professional. Make sure to always do your own research before purchasing stocks. Alright, let's move on to the rest of the video. If you would be following me, you would see that I made some recent purchases. I only bought a single stock. This is one of the tricks that I will explain in more detail in this video. Here you can see that I bought a JP Morgan Global Equity Premium Income ETF. I've added one share to track it in more detail and create a more awareness for myself, because I'm planning to buy this stock in the future. Here you can see my positions. My main positions are Realty Income, Fiji and VWRL. I currently have 153 shares of Realty Income, 151 shares of Fiji and 24 shares of VWRL. Here you can see that I also own 3 stocks with only 1 share each. By having them in my overview, I can now watch them daily. This creates a good awareness for myself how the stock is currently performing. However, the main reason for doing this is because of the premium dividend tracking feature in Getquin. In Getquin, I can now see an overview of all my dividend paying stocks. Here I can see the amount of dividends I will receive for each stock in 2025. You can see that Realty Incomes has a lot of payments. In my case, this is 14. This is actually higher than the total amount you will receive in 1 year, but because I have Realty Income on 2 of my brokers, I have double the amount of payments. Here we can see that the stocks that I'm possibly interested in have several payments upcoming. Shell has 3 more planned payments, Pepsi-Cola has 2 more payments and GPM has 6 more payments coming up. This overview also gives me direct insight in the expected yields of each stock. We can see that the 2 REITs that I own, Realty Income and Fiji, pay between 5 and 6% of yield. Here I can see that from the stocks that I'm interested in, Pepsi-Cola has the lowest yield, after that Shell, and the highest yield is from the GPM ETF. With all these dividend stocks in my portfolio, I can also now create a calendar. Here you can see the expected dividends per month and which company is gonna pay them. This calendar gives me a direct overview of when the new stocks that I'm possibly interested in would pay a dividend. We can see that the first payments of the new stocks, Shell and PepsiCo, are planned in June. The GPM ETF is going to start paying monthly from July. At the top right of the calendar, we can switch to a table format. This table format gives more advanced details such as the ex-dividend date, the payment date, the pay amount and also the payment per share. In this overview, I can directly see that if I want to take advantage of the Shell dividend payment, I have to buy their shares before the 16th of May. If I want to receive dividends from PepsiCo, I have to buy their stock before the 7th of June. Both Shell and PepsiCo would then pay me by the end of June. If I want to receive a payment from the GPM ETF in July, then I need to own their stock before the 13th of June. As you can see, the trick of just adding single stocks to your portfolio can give you a lot of new insights. I hope that this information brings value to you. It would be great if this would allow you to build a very big dividend snowball. Thank you for watching. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Also check out these new videos on my channel. And I hope to see you in the next video.